Hello, in mathematics till now we have discussed 5 laws of exponent. So we'll see them once again. So laws of exponents. We have to remember them. The first law was if a raised to power minus m, it will be 1 upon a raised to power m, or a raised to power m will be equal to 1 upon a raised to power minus m. This is the first law. Second law, we discussed if a by b is the base and to the power n, it will be take the reciprocal b upon a raised to power minus n, or in reverse we can write a upon b raised to power minus n, that is this law, first law, equal to b by a raised to power n, or a by b raised the whole raised to power n equal to a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n. Third, we discussed if a to the power m into a to the power n, base are same, it will be a raised to power m plus n. Fourth law, we discussed a raised to power m upon a raised to power n, it will be equal to a raised to power m minus n if m is greater than n, and it will be equal to 1 upon a raised to power n minus m if m is less than n. Last law, fifth law, we discussed a raised to power m the whole raised to power n, it will be equal to a raised to power m and m into n, we have to multiply them. So never get confused between third and fifth law. Never get confused between third and fifth law. A raised to power m the whole raised to power n equal to a raised to power m into n, or it can as well be written as a raised to power n the whole raised to power m. So we are multiplying here m into n. And using these 5 laws, we will be solving questions related with exponents. So for example, example 5 I am taking. 1 raised to power minus 1 plus 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 3 raised to power minus 1, the whole raised to power minus 1, divided by 4 raised to power minus 1. This we have to evaluate. This we have to solve. So first one, 1 raised to power minus 1. First law, a raised to power minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. So we'll be solving the bracket. Whatever inside the bracket, that will be solving first. It will be written as 1 upon 1. We can write it as 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. And the bracket closed, raised to power minus 1. Divided by 4 raised to power minus 1, first law, 1 upon 4. Now second step, we will take the LCM. We will solve the bracket first. So LCM is 6. 6 plus 3 plus 2, the whole raised to power minus 1. And divide, if we change the operator, that is multiplication, you have to take reciprocal of this. Its inverse we have to take, it will be into 4. Next step, 9, 11. 11 divided by 6 raised to power minus 1 into 4. And minus 1, use this law, we have to take the reciprocal of this one. It will be 6 upon 11 into 4. And this equal to 6 4 is 24 upon 11. Example 6 I am taking. We have to evaluate 6 raised to power minus 1 minus 8 raised to power minus 1. Close the bracket. This whole divided by 3 by 4 raised to power minus 1. So first we have to solve the bracket. So 6 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 8. We are using first law here. Divided by, take the inverse of this one, 4 upon 3. Now solve the bracket LCM. It will be 24, 4 minus 3 divided by 4 by 3. It will be 1 upon 24, and we change the operator, but we have to take the reciprocal of this one, 3 upon 4. So it get cancelled. It will be 1 upon 32. Now some problem from the exercise will be taken. So I am taking third question from the exercise first. From third I am taking first. Minus 4 whole raised to power is the square we are taking, divided by minus 4 raised to power 3. So minus 4 square, its square we have taken, divided by minus 4 its cube. So it will be, next step, minus 4 square divided, we can write it like this, minus 4 cube. Now see here, the base are same, and n is greater than m, so we can write it as 1 upon minus 4, the whole raised to power 3 minus 2. Here the base are same, so we will be using fourth law, this one, n is greater than m if 1 upon a raised to power n minus m. So it will be how much? 1 upon minus 4 raised to power 1. It will be 1 upon minus 4, or we can write minus 1 upon 4. Now second question, 1 upon 2 raised to power 3, the whole raised to power minus 2. So here a raised to power minus m, we have to take reciprocal and we will make this power as positive. So it will be 2 raised to power 3, the whole raised to power 2. It will be a raised to power m, the whole raised to power n. It will be 2 into 3 into 2. It will be 2 raised to power 6. So it is how much? 64. We have to multiply 2 6 times. Now next question, 8th question I am taking. Minus 3 upon 4, the whole raised to power 5, divided by minus 3 divided by 4, the whole raised to power minus 2, and bracket is closed and we are having power minus 3. So see here, the base are same here. So next step we can do minus 3 divided by 4, the whole raised to power 5. This whole divided by minus 3 upon 4, whole raised to power minus 2. Bracket closed, minus 3. So a raised to power 5, a raised to power minus 2. Base are same. So we can write it as minus 3 upon 4 raised to power 5 minus minus 2. The whole raised to power minus 3. Minus 3 by 4 whole raised to power 5 plus 7. 5 plus 2. The whole raised to power minus 3. Next step, minus 3 upon 4 whole raised to power 7, this whole raised to power minus 3. Minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 7, and this bracket closed raised to the power minus 3. So it is a raised to power m raised to power n. So it will be minus 3 upon 4 raised to power 7 into minus 3. So it will be minus 3 upon 4 raised to power minus 21. Or we can take the reciprocal, a raised to power minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to power m minus 4 upon 3 whole raised to power 21. So this is the answer. Now fourth question, third part I am taking. 2 by 5 raised to power minus 3 into 4 upon 15 raised to power 2 into 7 upon 225 raised to power 0. Now remember here, any number you take, 5 raised to power 0, it will be 1. 3 raised to power 0, it will be 1. Any number you take, a raised to power 0, it will be 1. So any power raised to power 0 is 1. So next step, first 5 upon 2 raised to power 3. A raised to power minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to. We have taken the reciprocal of this and power becomes positive into 4 divided by 15 square into any number raised to power 0 is 1. So next step, it can be written as 5 cube divided by 2 cube into 4 square divided by 15 square. Next step, 5 into 5 into 5 3 times divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 into 4 divided by 15 into 15. So 2 5 get cancelled, we are having 3 3, 4 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, 2. So we are having 10 upon 9. Or you can do here as well like this, 5 cube divided by 2 cube into 2 square the whole square divided by 5 into 3 the whole square. So next step will be 5 cube divided by 2 cube into 2 raised to power 4 divided by 5 square into 3 square. So either we can solve this way or we can proceed like this as well. So it will be 5 cube divided by 5 square into 2 raised to power 4 divided by 2 raised to power 3 into 1 upon 3 square. Now a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, it will be 5 raised to power 3 minus 2 into 2 raised to power 4 minus 3 into 1 upon 3 square. It will be 5 raised to power 1, that is 5, into 2 raised to power 1, that is 2, into 1 upon 3 square, and this is 5 into 10 to 10 upon 9. So either you can proceed this way or this way. Solve question third and question fourth of exercise second.